darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So guys, in one of my previous videos I talked to you about putting in parazone in all the toilets because there was some stain inside. It wasn't really dirty, but because it hasn't been in use for a while, like the water has created some stains be inside, so I needed to put a little bit parazone in and then do justice to it. So I went to our visitors room because we are going to have some visitors around, and then I came to the girls room also, and then from there I went to the visitors washroom too. Yeah, so I think from there too I went to my room too. So I put in the parazone and I left it. I went to do my things. I did a lot of cleaning at the kitchen, so I was at the kitchen, and once I was done I had to come back and then do justice to it. Cleanliness, they say in this too, godliness. Okay, so yeah, clean with me. So I am starting it up from the visitors washroom. Yeah, so this is the visitors washroom. We have the toilet and then the sink. We don't have bath here. It's just when you come and you want to pee or you want to wee wee, then you go here and do justice to yourself. Okay, so I started up here cleaning the toilet seat and then the sink as well. And unfortunately the tap at the sink wasn't coming. I didn't know why, because the toilet was coming. I was able to flush and I didn't know why this one didn't want to come anyway. So that was it. It was coming small, so I managed to use it like that, and then I'll be moving to a different place soon. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, you are warmly welcome. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all my new and then my old subscribers. I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. Okay, I really thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. So I had a call from Hosby and he wanted to talk to the girls because he wasn't around and I was there with the girls. So in a small time you call and then talk to them. Why you not call me? Daddy. So I've come to the kids' room to also do justice to this as well. So yeah, ready to clean. So I left my phone with Big Mama because she was talking to Daddy, and I had to continue with this because Ijumane Dawson, and I was very exhausted for the day. The cleanings, Charlie, it wasn't easy, but you don't have a choice. We have to do it bit by bit like that. So yeah, sister is done with the call and she nearly dropped my phone in the toilet seat. I was like, please take it back. When I am done, I'll come for it. So yeah, so I am done over here too, and see how it is looking. It is looking very nice now. So it's the turn of the visitors room, and I had to also do justice to it too. So yeah, I have to put in my powdered soap because there is spiralizone in it already. So guys, you can see these stains. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. But the other places I didn't really struggle with it like how I am struggling with this very one, because I think most often when people pass by, that is where they've been using. So you see, so I have this silver polish here, and that is a very good thing that I've been using. If the stain is very difficult, just use this and it will make your work very easy. So on your screen is the silver polish I am talking about. Okay, yeah, and it will do magic. By the time I'm done, when I flash, you see everything is good, everything is okay, and it's looking very, 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 very nice. So you can give it a try. If you have any stubborn stain in your closets, your towels, your whatever, you just give it a try and thank me later. You see how it's looking. When you finish, off the lights and close the door. Never. You need it. Visitors and washroom one piano. Yeah, so it's now my turn. I'm in my room. I'm going to also make justice to mine, and then I will be done for the day. And yeah, see the stains that I am talking about, but there is spiralizone inside already. So with a little brush to wash, I am good to go, and all was gone. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. So come in. Come in. Let her come. I'll cook for you. So fam, yeah, this one too is clean as you can see. And then move to my sink, and all is done. So if you've been watching from the beginning till now, thank you so much for watching till this time. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for me. Give me a thumbs up, share, and comment down below at the comment section. So guys, I'll be on your screen again in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Oh, road to 2K. Yeah, so yeah, that is it, and that is all for the day. So all the cleanings are done now, both in the sinks, at the kitchen, and in the fridge too. So if you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in another video. Bye.